We have right here is the time champ, and here's how to start tracking time and boosting your team's productivity. So let's head into their user guide. So right here is that it is you can actually begin with a simple free trial with them. You just need to sign up and track employees in less than 10 seconds. Only email and phone number are required with no time jogging, one-time password OTP authentication to sign up with them. And after that, you can see the free sign up with them. You can actually check the page itself. You can go to their dashboard to get a quick overview of time track, productivity scores, and active users. You can also install the time trap desktop agent on each team member's computer. It runs in the background and logs activity. You can use the screenshot and app usage features to get visibility into work habits, great for remote teams. You can view detailed timesheets for attendance, breaks, or even time spent on tasks. You can export them easily for payroll or reporting. TimeChamp makes time tracking automatic, accurate, and transparent so you can focus on results, not micromanagement.